Hello students and welcome to the video class of the chapter 3 dimensional coordinate geometry, and the topic is the straight line. Before going to the class, we should refresh our mind. So let's do Brahmanad. Om Shanti 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 Swastha. My dear students, in last class we discussed the equation of straight line in different form and condition for the line will lie on the plane, that is, and the angle between two lines, condition for parallelism, condition for perpendicular, condition for that line will lie on the plane, condition for parallelism of a coplanarity of two lines, and equation of the plane containing these two lines. Today we are going to discuss the point of intersection of a plane and line, also the point of intersection of two straight lines, and some problems. Now let's do that is what point of intersection of a line and plane, of a line and plane, okay, of a line and plane, of a line and plane. This is the concept to be discussed. That is point of intersection of line and plane. The point of intersection of line and plane, suppose this is plane whose equation is like this: ax plus by plus cz plus d is equal to 0, and this is the line, whose equation is x minus x naught by a is equal to y minus y naught by b is equal to z minus z naught by c. Okay. Point of intersection of line and plane. So first we have to find the point of intersection of the line x minus x naught by a is equal to y minus y naught by b is equal to z minus z naught by c, and the plane ax plus by plus cz plus d is equal to 0. Step 1, find the general points. Find the general points of line as let x minus x naught by a is equal to y minus y naught by b is equal to z minus z naught by c is equal to subtotal lambda. So the point is what? That implies x is equal to a lambda plus x naught, y is equal to b lambda plus y naught, and z is equal to what? C lambda plus z naught. Let that is what? P of a lambda plus x naught, b lambda plus y naught, b lambda plus y naught comma c lambda plus z naught be the point of intersection, be the point of intersection, point of intersection. So this point will be the common point of both line and plane, since step 2, since the point P is common to both line and plane. So it will satisfy the equation of plane also. So it will satisfy the equation of plane also. That implies a into a lambda plus x naught plus b into b lambda plus y naught plus c into c lambda plus z naught plus d equal to 0. Simplify this, we simplify it, and we will get the value of lambda. Step 3, putting the value of lambda in P, we get the point of intersection of the line and the plane. This is the concept of how to find the point of intersection of line and plane. Now let's do one problem. Find the point of intersection of line x minus 1 by 1 is equal to y plus 2 by 3 is equal to z minus 1 by minus 3, and the plane 2x plus y plus z is equal to 9. This is the question to find the point of intersection of the line and plane. So given solution, given line x minus 1 by 1 y plus 2 by 3 z minus 1 by minus 3, and this is the plane, this is the line, this point is the point of intersection. Let for general point of line, let x minus 1 by 1 is equal to y plus 2 by 3 is equal to z minus 1 by minus 3 is equal to lambda. So x is equal to lambda plus 1, comparing this y is equal to 3 lambda minus 2, and comparing this also, for this is comparing this also. So z is equal to minus 3 lambda plus 1. Let p of lambda plus 1, 3 lambda minus 2, minus 3 lambda plus 1 be the point of intersection. Given line this, and plane is what? And the plane is 2x plus y plus z is equal to 9. That p of lambda plus 1, 3 lambda minus 2, minus 3 lambda plus 1 be the point of intersection of line and plane. So it will satisfy equation of plane, the equation of plane. Okay, now putting the value of x, y, z in equation what? Equation of plane. Putting the value of x, y, z in equation 1. Putting the point P of, that is P of what? P of putting the value of, that is what? Putting the value of x, y, z, putting the value of x, y, z, we get putting value of x, y and z in equation of plane. Equation of plane, that is what? 2 into what? Equation of plane is what? Equation of plane is like this, 2x. So 2 into x means what? Lambda plus 1 plus y means 3 lambda minus 2, and z means what? Plus z means what? Minus 3 lambda plus 1 is equal to 9. That implies 2 lambda plus 2 plus 3 lambda minus 2 minus 3 lambda plus 1 is equal to 9. So this is equal to, so plus 3 lambda and minus 3 lambda goes cancel. Plus 3 lambda and minus 3 lambda goes cancel. And this is what? 2 lambda plus 2 minus 2 goes cancel. 2 lambda is equal to what? 8. So lambda is equal to 4. Now the point of intersection is, therefore the point of intersection is what? X equal lambda plus 1, that is 4 plus 1, and y equal to 3 lambda plus 1, 3 lambda plus 1, and that is minus 3 lambda, minus 3 into 4 plus 1. So this is equal to 5, and this is what? 13, and this is what? Minus 11 is the point of intersection, Okay. Find the coordinates of the point where the line joining 3, 4, minus 5 and 2, minus 3, 1 meet the coordinate planes 2x plus y plus z, meet the plane 2x plus y plus z minus 7 equal to 0. So the line in this is solution. Suppose this is the plane and the line is what? The line joining these 2 points. This is suppose A of 3, 4, minus 5 and B of 2, minus 3, 1, and this is the point of intersection P. Okay. So first find equation of line passing through equation of line passing through the point 3, 4, minus 5 and 2, minus 3, 1 is x minus 3 divided by 2 minus 3 is equal to y minus 4 divided by minus 3 minus 4 is equal to z plus 5 by 1 plus 5. That is equal to what? That implies x minus 3 by minus 1, y minus 4 by minus 7, z plus 5 by 6. And the given equation of plane is given. Also find the coordinate of the point where the line joining meet the coordinate planes. Also find the distance between, and also find the distance between, also find and this is what? Also find the distance of the point 1, 1, 1 from the point of intersection. This is additional question. So given plane is what? Given plane is 2x plus y plus z minus 7 is equal to 0. Now to find general points, Now for general points of line, let x minus 3 by minus 1 is equal to y minus 4 by minus 7 is equal to z plus 5 by 6 is equal to lambda. That implies what? X is equal to minus lambda plus 3, y is equal to minus 7 lambda plus 4, and z is equal to what? 6 lambda minus 5. Let this be p of minus lambda plus 3, minus 7 lambda plus 4, 6 lambda minus 5 be the point of intersection. Point of intersection of line and plane. Line and plane. Then what is the point of intersection? It will satisfy the point P will satisfy the equation of plane. That is what? Putting this value, that is what? Equation of plane. The plane is what? 2x plus y plus z minus 7 is equal to 0. So that is 2 into x means what? Minus lambda plus 3 plus y. Y means what? Minus 7 lambda plus 4. Z means what? 6 lambda minus 5 minus 7 is equal to 0. That implies minus 2 lambda plus 6 minus 11 lambda plus 4 plus 6 lambda minus 11 is equal to 0. That is minus 12 minus 5 minus 7 is equal to 0. So this is what? Minus 9 lambda plus 6 lambda, that is minus 2 lambda minus 7 lambda minus 9 lambda, and this is plus 6 lambda. So minus 3 lambda and 6 plus 4 10, and this is minus 12. So minus 2 is equal to 0. So lambda is equal to what? So lambda is 3, lambda is equal to, that is what? Minus 3 lambda is equal to 2, and lambda is equal to minus 2 by 3. Lambda is equal to minus 2 by 3. So putting the value of the P, now the coordinates of the point of intersection. Coordinates of the point of intersection. Point of intersection is equal to x is equal to minus lambda minus 2 by 3 minus lambda plus 3. X is equal to what? Minus lambda plus 3, that is equal to minus 2 by 3 plus 3, that is equal to what? 7 by 3. Y is equal to minus 7 lambda plus 4 minus 7 lambda plus 4, that is equal to minus 7 into minus 2 by 3. So 14 by 3 plus 4, that is equal to 12 plus 14 plus 12, 26 by 3. 26 by 3, and z is equal to what? Z is equal to 6 lambda minus 5. 6 lambda minus 5, that is minus 12 by 3 minus 12 by 3 minus 5, that is minus what? That is minus 9. Okay. So this is x value, and this is y value, and this is z value. This is what? Minus lambda means minus of minus, this is plus 2 by 3, sorry, this is plus 2 by 3 and this is 9 plus 11 by 3, 11 by 3, because minus lambda, so this is minus of minus, that is 2 by 3, plus 2 by 3 plus that is 11 by 3. Therefore, the common point of intersection is what? Therefore, the point of intersection is the point of intersection. Point of intersection is 11 by 3, 26 by 3 and this is minus 9. This is the point of intersection. Now to find the distance of the point, suppose the distance of the point, suppose here any point, suppose Q, that is 1 1 1. Now to find distance of this point is what? 11 by 3 and this is 26 by 3 and this is minus 9. Now distance between P and Q. Now distance between P and Q. Now distance between PQ. Given another given point that is suppose Q of 1 1 1. Now distance of PQ. Now distance of PQ according to question is what? Square root of 11 by 3 minus 1 whole square plus 26 by 3 minus 1 whole square minus plus minus 9 plus 1 whole square. So this is equal to square root of 11 minus 3, 8 by 3 whole square, 8 by 3 whole square and 26 minus 3, 26 minus 3, 23 by 3 whole square and this is what? 8 whole square, that is 64. So that is 64 by 9 and this is 23 into 23. Now multiply 23 square. This is what? 529 by 9 plus 64 whole square. So this is equal to 64 plus 529 plus 64 into 9 whole divided by 9. What is that is 64 into 9 means what? That is 64 plus 529 plus 9 4 the 36, 9 6 the 54 plus what is 57. Okay, 64 into 9 is okay, by this square root, by this is square root of 9 means what? 3. So add this 64 plus 529 plus 576, add this. This is square root of 1169 divided by 3 units. Now, how to find the image of the point with respect to plane? Image of the plane. Now, point of intersection of two lines. Point of intersection of two lines. One thing is here, if two lines are, that is note, if two lines are parallel and not parallel and coplanar and not parallel, they must be intersect. If two lines are coplanar and not parallel, then two lines must be intersect each other. this is dot, and now point of intersection of two lines. Let x minus x1 by a1, y minus y1 by b1, z minus z1 by c1, and x minus x2 by a2 is equal to y minus y2 by b2 is equal to z minus z2 by c2. B2 intersecting lines, B2 intersecting lines to find the point of intersection. To find the point of intersection, let x minus x1 by a1, y minus y1 by b1, z minus z1 by c1 is equal to lambda, okay. Then x is equal to a1 lambda plus x1, a1 lambda plus x1, y is equal to b1 lambda plus y1, z is equal to c1 lambda plus z1. Let this be m of what? M of or p of a1 lambda plus x1, b1 lambda plus y1, c1 lambda plus z1 be the point of intersection, is the point of intersection. So it will satisfy, this is step 1, it will satisfy the equation of line 2. Step 2, it will p of the point P, the point P will satisfy the equation of line 2, this is equation of line 1 and this is line 2. So putting the values of x, y, z, putting the values of x, y, z, x, y, z in equation of line 2 and find the value of lambda and find the value of lambda for all possible case. If value of lambda remains same, if value of lambda remains same for all cases, then two lines are intersecting to each other, otherwise not. To each other, otherwise not intersecting. This is one method. Another method is also there. If this is take lambda 1 and this is take lambda 2, find the value of lambda 1 and lambda 2. If lambda 1 equal to lambda 2, then what? The lines are what? Intersecting each other. Now one question. Given lines, solution. Given lines what? X minus 1 by 2, y plus 2 by y minus 2 by 3, z minus 3 divided by 4. This is equation line 1. And second is what? X minus 4 by 5 and y minus 1 by 2, z by 1 is equal to equation 2. This is here DRS are here x1, y1, z1, the point of line 1 is equal to what? 1, 2, 3. DRS, this is point, and DRS A1, B1, C1, A1, B1, C1 is equal to what? 2, 3, 4. This is point of L1. So point of L2. Point of L2 is what? X2, Y2, Z2 is equal to 4, 1, 0, and DRS A2, B2, C2, that is what? A2, B2, 5, 2, 1. Here DRS are not proportional to. Here DRS of L1 is not proportional. 2 by 5, 3 by 2. So not proportional. Not proportional. Not proportional. That is A1 by A2 not equal to B1 by B2 not equal to C1 by C2. Therefore, not parallel. Therefore, that implies line L1 and line 2 are not parallel. Not parallel. Now we have to verify that is coplanar. If two lines are intersecting, that the lines are not parallel and coplanar. Now condition for coplanar. Now test for coplanar. For coplanar x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1, a1, b1, c1 and a2, b2, c2. So this is equal to what? X2 minus x1 means x2 minus 4 minus 1 and 1 minus 2, 0 minus 3, a1 means what? 2, 3, 4, and this is what? This is 4, 5, 2, 1. So this is equal to 3 minus 1 minus 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 1. Now this is 3 into what? This goes cancelled. So 3 minus what? 8. 3 minus 8, that is minus 5. Minus of minus 1 into this goes cancel. This row minus 2 minus 20 minus 18 and minus 3 into what? Minus 3 into this goes cancel. 4 minus 15. 4 minus 15, that is minus 11. So this is what? Minus 15. This is what? This goes cancel. 3 minus 15, minus 15, this is plus minus 18, okay, and this is what? Plus 33. This is equal to 0. Therefore, line 1 and line 2 are parallel. Line 1 and line 2 are coplanar. Since the line 1, line 2 are coplanar and not parallel, since line 1 and line 2 are coplanar and not parallel, since line 1 and line 2, since line 1 and line 2 are coplanar and not parallel, therefore two lines are intersecting. Now to find the point of intersection. Now to find the point of intersection. For point of intersection, what is this? Let one of the values line is equal to lambda. To find the point of intersection, let x minus 1 by 2 is equal to y minus 2 by 3 is equal to z minus 3 by 4 is equal to lambda. So that implies x is equal to 2 lambda plus 1, y is equal to 3 lambda plus 2, and z is equal to what? Z is equal to 4 lambda plus 3. Use in equation of line 2. So x means what? 2 lambda plus 1 minus 4 by 2 is equal to y means what? 3 lambda plus 2 minus 1 divided by 2, and z is equal to what? 4 lambda plus 3 divided by 1. So this is 2 lambda. Taking first 2 lambda minus 3 by 2 is equal to taking first and second, these two. So 3 lambda, this is 3 lambda plus 1 by 2. So 2 to cancel here, that implies what? Minus lambda is equal to what? 3 lambda minus lambda, that is minus lambda is equal to what? 4. So lambda is equal to 4. Again taking these two. So what is here? That is 3 lambda plus 1 by 2 is equal to what? 4 lambda plus 3. So this is 3 lambda plus 1. This is 8 lambda plus what? 6. So that is implies what? Minus, this is what? This is 3 lambda plus 1. This is what? 3 lambda. This is 4 lambda plus 3. So this is what? 8 lambda and plus 6. So this is lambda is equal to what? Lambda is equal to 2 lambda minus 3 is equal to this minus lambda is equal to what? Minus lambda is equal to 4. Taking these two. Okay, then we find the value of lambda. Sorry, this is not 2 here. This is x minus 4. X minus 2 lambda plus 1 minus 4. This is 5. Sorry, this is 5. So this calculation will be what? The calculation will be changed. This is not here 5 here. So this is right 5. The calculation is what? The calculation is, this is what? 2 and this is 1. So this is taking 2 lambda minus 3 by 5 is equal to what? 3 lambda plus 1 by 2 is equal to what? 4 lambda plus 3 by 1. So taking first and last, or taking first 2. So 2 lambda minus 3 by 5 is equal to 3 lambda plus 1 by 2. That implies what? 4 lambda minus 6 is equal to what? 15 lambda plus 1. That is equal to what? That is equal to 4 lambda minus 15 lambda. So that is minus 11 lambda, and this is what? 6 plus 1, 7. So lambda is equal to minus 7 by 11. Since taking these two also, first, second and third, 3 lambda plus 1 by 2 is equal to 4 lambda plus 3 by 1. So this is what 3 lambda plus 1 is equal to, this is 8 lambda plus 6. Okay, so this is equal to what? This is equal to, that is minus no plus 2 here, that is 3 lambda minus what? Minus here, though the plane is what? Now calculating this, we get here, this is what? 4 lambda minus 6, this is what? 15 lambda plus 5 here, plus 5. So this is equal to what? Minus 11 lambda, and this is equal to 11. So lambda is equal to minus 1. Lambda equal to minus 1. Here also minus 5 lambda is equal to 5, and lambda is equal to minus 1. Since both cases the value of lambda remains same, therefore the lines are coplanar. Now the point of intersection is what? The point of intersection is putting the value of lambda. Now the point of intersection is, now the point of intersection. Now the point of intersection, point of intersection, point of intersection is what? 2 lambda. Lambda equal to 2 lambda plus 1, 3 lambda plus 2, 4 lambda plus 3. Okay, so lambda equal to minus 1, that is minus 2 plus 1, minus 3 plus 2, and minus 4 plus 3. So this is equal to minus 1, minus 1, and this is minus 1. This is the value of, this is the value of the, that is the point of intersection. Okay, that is the point of intersection. Now to find the image of point with respect to plane. Image of a point with respect to the plane, given plane, the given plane. Image of the point with respect to the given plane. This is the one question here. Suppose this is the point P, okay, and this is image is like this. Suppose this is M is the midpoint, and this is given point. Suppose x1, y1, z1, this is given point, and this Q is the image, alpha, beta, gamma. Okay, alpha, beta, gamma. Now find the point M here, find the point M, then use midpoint formula, that is image, use midpoint formula. First find the equation of this is, find the equation of this is what? Suppose this is the equation is what? Equation is ax plus by plus cz plus d is equal to 0, and its equation is what? X minus x1 by a, y minus y1 by b, z minus z1 by c, and find the point of intersection here. M is the point of intersection. Here M is the midpoint of this. This distance is equal to this distance, and apply the midpoint formula. Find the value of alpha, beta, gamma. This is the image. How to find the image of the point with respect to plane. Let us discuss one question regarding this concept. Now, solution. Given points, P of given points P of 2, minus 1, 3. Suppose this is the point P, which is 2, minus 1, 2, minus 1, 3, and the plane is like this here. Suppose 3x minus 2y plus z minus 9, plus z minus 9 is equal to 0. The image of this point is, suppose this is the point of intersection, the image of Q, suppose this is alpha, beta, gamma. Okay, alpha, beta, gamma. This distance is equal to this distance. Now, at given plane, let given point P of 2, minus 1, 3, let Q of alpha, beta, gamma be its image. So given plane is what? 3x minus 2y plus z minus 9 is equal to 0. Let M be the foot of the perpendicular. M be the foot of the perpendicular. Foot of the perpendicular which also intersect the plane. So M is here midpoint of line PQ, line segment PQ. Now DRS is the what? PQ is perpendicular to the plane. PQ perpendicular to the plane. So DRS of PQ is equal to 3 minus 2 1. So equation of line PQ is what? Equation of line PQ line segment PQ is what? That is x minus 2 by 3 is equal to y plus 1 by minus 2 z minus 3 by 1. Now let this is equal to lambda. Let x minus 2 by 3 is equal to y plus 1 by minus 2 is equal to z minus 3 by 1 is equal to lambda. Okay, lambda. So this is, that implies what? X is equal to what? X is equal to 3 lambda plus 2. X is equal to 3 lambda plus 2, and now y is equal to minus 2 lambda minus 1, and z is equal to lambda plus 3. Now it satisfies values of, let M be this, let M of this 3 lambda plus 2 minus 2 lambda minus 1 lambda plus 3 be the point of intersection of PQ and the plane. So it will satisfy the equation of plane. Okay, it will satisfy the equation of plane. It will satisfy M, the point M will satisfy the equation of plane. Which is what? 3x minus 2y plus z minus 9 is equal to 0. That is 3, that implies 3 into x means what? 3 lambda plus 2. Y minus 2 into y means minus 2 lambda minus 1, minus 2 lambda minus 1, and z means what? Lambda plus what? Lambda plus 3 minus 9 is equal to 0. So this is equal to 9 lambda plus 6 plus 4 lambda plus 2 plus lambda plus 3 minus 9 is equal to 0. That is what? 9, 4, 13, and this is 14. 14 lambda is equal to what? 6 plus 2, 8, 8 plus 3, 11, and 11 minus 9, that is 2. That is 6 plus 2, 8, 8, and this is 3, 11, 11 minus 9 is equal to what? 2 is equal to 0. So lambda, 14 lambda is equal to minus 2. So lambda is equal to minus 2 by 14, that is minus 1 by what? 14 by 7, minus 1 by 7. So now the coordinate of the point M, coordinate of point M is equal to what? 3 into lambda means what? Minus 1 by 7 plus 2, and minus 2 into minus 1 by 7, that is coordinate of P. Here coordinate of P, which is equal to what? M of minus 1 by 7 into 3, minus 3 by 7 plus 2, minus minus plus 2 by 7 minus 1, 2 by 7 minus 1, and minus 1 by 7 comma minus 1 by 7 plus 3. So this is equal to what? 14 minus 3. So 14 minus 3, that is 11 by 7. 7, 2 minus 7, minus 5 by 7, minus 5 by 7, that is 14 minus what? 3, that is 11 by 7, 2 minus 1, 5 minus 5 by 7, that is 21 minus 1. So 20 by 7. This is the midpoint. Now M is the midpoint of what? Now M is the midpoint of the line PQ. Okay, M is the midpoint of the line PQ. So M is the midpoint of line PQ. M equal to midpoint of what? PQ. So that is midpoint of PQ means what? That is 2 plus alpha by 2, that is minus 1 plus beta by 2, and 3 plus gamma by 2 is equal to what? Is equal to this point 11 by what? 11 by 7, comma minus 5 by 7, comma 20 by 7. Okay, then this is equal to what? This is equal to 2 plus alpha by 2 is equal to 11 by 7. Okay, so that is 14 plus 7 alpha is equal to 22. So 7 alpha is equal to what? That is 6. 7 alpha is equal to 8. So alpha is equal to 8 by 7. Similarly, minus 1 plus beta by 2 is equal to minus 5 by 7. So this is what? Minus 7 plus 7 beta is equal to minus 10. So 7 beta is equal to what? 7 beta is equal to, that is what? Minus 3. So beta is equal to minus 3 by 7. Again here that is 3 plus lambda is equal to what? 3 plus lambda is equal to, here 3 plus lambda by 2 is equal to what? 20 by 7. So 21 plus 7 lambda is equal to 40. So 7 lambda is equal to what? 19. 7 lambda is equal to what? 19. So lambda is equal to 19 by 7. Therefore image is what? Image of P is Q of what? Q of 8 by 7 minus 3 by 7, 19 by 7. Okay, 19 by 7. These are some concepts of the image and point of intersection of line and plane and point of intersection of two lines, and some problems discussed here. Then in next video we will discuss some more problems. What is the shortest distance between two lines, that is Q lines, etc., and some more problems. Thank you. Have a nice day.